Sometimes it's necessary to have many people working on the same file at the same time. This is actually done to speed up the data entry or make things simpler and easier for collaboration. So today, let us discuss the next session on advanced spreadsheet, that is sharing worksheet data. I'm opening a sample spreadsheet file in front of you, which is given in the textbook. The first topic that we are going to see today is to share the spreadsheet. It is very easy to share a spreadsheet. You simply have to click on Tools and Share Document. Now, we simply have to click on this checkbox, Share the spreadsheet with other users so that the document gets shared. Now, this is going to be useful when you're working on a networked environment. The moment I'm going to click on OK, you will find the file name that is getting reflected with shared appended at the end of the file name. I'm going to click on OK. It's asking me whether to save it in sharing mode. I say yes. And now you find that the file name has got changed to sharing.ods shared. Now when we share a document, there are a few options which get disabled automatically. It gets grayed out. So if you can click on all the options in the menu bar, you will find that some of them have got grayed out. To be specific, if you click on data, you find the options like sort, subtotals, consolidate getting disabled. Now we can get out of the sharing options by again clicking on Tools, Share Document, uncheck the checkbox again and click on OK. Now it again gives you a pop-up message. Simply click on yes. So now the word that was appearing as shared, that was getting appended to the file name, has automatically got removed. Now when we are using a spreadsheet in the shared mode, one of this situation may occur. If the worksheet was not modified and saved by another user since you opened it, the worksheet is saved. It will have no problem in saving the file. Now the second situation that we may come across is if the worksheet was modified and saved by another user and then you try to open it. So it will tell that there were some changes that were done by the other user and the spreadsheet has got modified or updated. Now if the changes are there, you have made some changes, the other person also has made some changes, then it may raise a conflict because the value in a particular cell or in some of the cells have changed. So in this case, you will get a dialog like this, wherein you keep the information which you have entered or the one that the other user has entered. So in this case, you have to resolve the conflict that arises because of the change of value in the cells. Now the next point here could be if the other user is trying to save the shared worksheet and resolve conflicts, then you see a message that the shared spreadsheet is locked because merging process is happening. So we may come across any one of the situation when you are trying to share the spreadsheet. Now let me open the spreadsheet again and let me make some changes to this spreadsheet. Now when I'm going to make the changes, I'm going to record the changes. So I click on Edit, Changes, Record. Now it will start recording. As given here, I'm going to make a few changes. You see a few places where money could be saved in the given budget proposal for baseball. Now the post-game snacks can be bought by parents. Nobody is going to stay back after this, so I can make this 0. The moment I press enter, you can see that the cell is getting highlighted with a red color border. New uniforms can wait. Maybe you need only 10 of them. I'm changing the quantity of uniforms to 10. Maybe we can buy cheaper baseballs. Now the quantity is 250. I'm changing the cost to maybe 8 rupees. Okay. Or maybe I can buy only 2 spare gloves instead of 8. So I can give this information also. So this way, as you enable the record option and make changes, the cells where we are making changes are going to get highlighted in red color. Now, as you move on this, you will find the information that I have modified the information on this cell. Can you see this? Yes. So along with this, I can post the comments that I have given over here. Suppose I want to say post-game snacks can be bought by parents. I'm going to copy this and insert a comment over here, for which I will click on edit, changes, comments. So I can give a comment here, paste it. Now I'm clicking on this blocked arrow. The next change that I made was new uniforms can wait, only 10 to replace. So replace only few. I'm clicking on the next button. Now it goes to the next change that I have made. So here, buy cheaper balls. I'm clicking on next. 2 spare gloves are sufficient. So this way I can insert comments. Now if I move my mouse on this, so my comments along with the change I have made will now get reflected. Now whatever changes have been made can be easily seen by clicking on edit, changes and accept or reject. Now here we can find all the changes that have been made along with the comments that were given. You can see this clearly over here. So these changes can be either accepted or rejected. So we can accept a change or we can reject a change. Here I am going to reject the change. So you will find all these values getting populated back to the original values. Let me click on reject all. So all the earlier values are the ones that are showing right now and they have gone under rejected. So this way we can either accept or we can reject. Sometimes it may be required for multiple reviewers to return edited versions of a worksheet at the same time. Maybe you carry a worksheet, I'm carrying the same worksheet. Now when we return it, it needs to be merged together with the changes. So we can open the original document and then click on edit, changes, merge document. There will be a window like this which pops up. Again, one can easily choose which value to be taken and accept or reject these changes. Also, we can compare two different documents. If there are two different reviewers who have worked on the document and returned it, we can open the documents and compare it, and then these changes could be taken. So that brings us to the end of this session, wherein we have understood how to share the spreadsheet, how to record changes, accept or reject changes, merge a document, and to compare a document. I hope it is clear till here. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.